Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off 24 hours time in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let me show you the thing that I am talking about. So you can see over here at the top left corner, you will see the time is about 5:15. So it's like in the 24 hours you will see over here 17:15. So you have to do is go to your iPhone settings and then go to generals over here. So you have to do is that, so simply scroll up and you will see over here below the background app refreshment, you will see date and time. Once you go there, so you will see over here at the top 24 hours time. So it's gonna be like turn on. So you wanna now turn off this and you will see AM or PM on the time. So you can see, click on that toggle to turn this off. You will see over here that 5:15. Now it's 5:15. So before that you will see over here 17:15. Once you turn this off, you will get this AM or PM. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.